Hello and welcome back guys to our channel LPE Learning. In this video, we are covering some important MCQs of emerging trends in electrical engineering for MSBT examination. So let's get started. Question 1. Electrical energy is related to which industrial revolution? So correct answer is option B. Industrial Revolution 2.0 is a correct answer. It is invented by Henry Ford. It is also called the age of the science and the mass production and electricity and assembly line production. Next question. The first revolution is about. So correct answer is option A, water and steam to minimize the production. In the first revolution, it is also called the age of mechanical production. Next question. Who is the founder of Industrial Revolution 4.0? So correct answer is option B, Professor Klaus Schwab. The fourth industrial revolution is characterized by the application of information and communication technologies to industry and is also known as Industry 4.0. Next question. Which devices are able to intervene the physical reality like switching of the light or adjust the temperature of room? So correct answer is option C. Sensor is a device are able to intervene the physical reality like switching of light or adjust the temperature of the room. Next question. Identify which is not an element of IoT. So correct answer is option A. People are the not element of the IoT, whereas the process, security and things are the elements of IoT. Next question. The objective of Industry 4.0 is. Correct answer is increasing the efficiency, reduce the complexity and enable the self-controlling are the objectives of Industry 4.0. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. SCADA is the abbreviation of. So SCADA is the abbreviation of Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. Next question. Internet of the Things is a natural extension of what? So correct answer is option C. SCADA is a natural extension of Internet of Things. Next question. Which of the following is a first and commonly used smart interactive IoT device? So correct answer is option B. ATM is a first used smart interactive IoT device. Next question. IoT cloud application may have the capability of. So, machine learning, performing analytics and generating reports are all the capabilities of IoT. So, correct answer is option D, all of the above is a correct one. Next question. IoT is involved form of communication. So, in the IoT, there are the machine-to-machine communication is provided. Next question. Which are the smart devices that uses the embedded processor, sensors and communication hardware to collect and send data which is acquired from the environment? So correct answer is option C. Things. Things are the smart devices that uses embedded processor, sensors and communication hardware to collect and send data which is acquired from the environment. Next question. What is the physical device or the software program that serves as the communication point between the cloud and controller? So correct answer is option D. IoT gateway is a physical device or the software program that serves as the connection point between the cloud and controller. Next question. The role of internet technologies and IoT in the context of Industry 4.0 is. So correct answer is option C. They form among other base of the corporate communication. Next question. agriculture IoT stick is a smart gadget work on the principle of. So correct answer is option A, plug and sense. Agriculture IoT stick is a smart gadget work on the principle of plug and sense. Next question. What is the direct contact between the two smart objects when they share the information instantaneously without an intermediary? So correct answer is option A. Device to device is a direct contact between the two smart objects when they share the information instantaneously without intermediaries. Next question. The sequence of the device in IoT architecture from bottom layer to the top layer is bottom layer to top layer. So correct answer is option B. Firstly things, then sensors, IoT gateway, edge IT, and then data center or cloud is a perfect sequence. So correct answer is option B. Going toward the next question. Top layer in IoT architecture is. Top layer in IoT architecture is. So correct answer is option B. Application layer are the top layer in IoT architecture. Next question. Data speed in the 4G is. So correct answer is option A, 10 Mbps. Advanced analytics and monitoring in IoT ecosystem is provided by. So correct answer is option B, cloud. Advanced analytics and monitoring in IoT ecosystem is provided by the cloud. Next question. Which series of events best describe the information of the first three industrial revolutions? So correct answer is option A. Mechanization of production is the first revolution. Introduction of the mass production is the second revolution. And the digital revolution are the third revolution. Next question. Electrical power and locomotive are the inventions of. So correct answer is option B, second revolution. Electrical power and locomotives are the invention of second revolution. Next question. Industrial revolution is the new technologies and a novel way of preserving the world that trigger a profound changes in the economy and the social structure. Next question. IoT, cyber physical system, AI and machine learning is characterized by. So correct answer is fourth revolution. IoT, cyber physical system, artificial intelligence and machine learning is characterized by the fourth revolution. Next question. E-learning helps in effectiveness, productivity and hand-on advanced technology tools. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. The following applications are included under the smart lighting. So correct answer is option C. Smart flash mount lighting are under the smart lighting. Key impact of the third industrial revolution is. So correct answer is option D. Electronics and information technology began to automate the production is a key impact of the third industrial revolution. Next question. Data speed in the 5G is. Here, correct answer is option A, 1 Gbps. But 5G delivering up to the 20 Gbps as a peak data rate, whereas the average data rate is 700 Mbps. Next question is a best describe about the Industry 4.0. So, smart factory is a best describe about the Industry 4.0. Next question is the other way of referring the IoT device. So, connected and smart is the other way of referring to the IoT device. So, correct option is option C, both A and B. Next question. IIoT means, or IIoT abbreviated as Industrial Internet of Things. So correct answer is option B, Industrial Internet of Things. Next question. Data is aggregated, summarized, filtered and forwarded by for further processing through cloud. So correct answer is option B, cloud. Next question. CPS means, or CPS abbreviated as Cyber Physical System. Next question. AMR abbreviated as Automatic Meter Reading. Next question. Calling is the feature of IoT. So connectivity, analyzing and sensing are the feature of IoT. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Calling is the application of Industry 4.0. So 3D printing, mobile devices and the smart sensors are the application of Industry 4.0. So correct answer is option D, all of the above is the correct one. Next question. Top first layer in the IoT architecture is, so correct answer is option A, sensors connectivity is the top first layer in IoT architecture. Next question. CMFG means, so correct answer is option A, CMF means cloud manufacturing. So this is our important MCQs of emerging trends in electrical engineering unit first. If you wanted to more objectives on all the unit, then comment in the comment box. If you are not seeing previous video of electrical substation practice and electrical estimating and costing, then must watch those video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel LPE Learning.